The smart seal always keeps an emergency exit close by. Out here, it takes more than brute strength to make a kill. Ice. From over a mile away, she picks up a scent carried on the wind. Locked onto her target, approaching from downwind, she closes in. Securing enough food just to stay alive is hard enough. Providing for a growing family, even harder. Patagonia's Peninsula Valdez is patrolled by a pod with a hunting technique so difficult, so dangerous, it takes years to learn how it's done. These masterclasses in predatory perfection are vital to passing on her skills.